In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated invoice reminders in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever wished for an assistant who keeps track of pending payments without lifting a finger, this tutorial is for you. You'll learn how to automate reminders, ensuring your invoices are never forgotten, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. To get started, navigate to QuickBooks Online. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's a straightforward process. For those already registered, click on the Sign In option and enter your credentials. You'll be greeted by the prompt to click Continue to proceed, so go ahead and do that. Enter your password and click Continue once more. After that, you'll need to choose your company file. It's essential to select the correct file to manage the invoices for the right business. Now, we're really getting into it. Next, go to the QuickBooks dashboard and head over to the settings icon, usually found at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're there, click on Account and Settings. You'll find this section packed with customizable options for managing every aspect of your accounting needs. When you enter the Account and Settings, look for the Sales tab on the left-hand menu and click on it. Scroll down until you find the Reminders section. Once there, click Edit to open the Automated Reminders Setup page. It's time to turn on the Automatic Invoice Reminders. Toggle the option to On. You'll see a choice to add a reminder. Click on Add Reminder to set your first schedule. When setting up your reminders, you'll have options for when these will be sent, be it on the due date, a few days before, or even afterwards. Customize the email subject and message to suit your business tone. Make sure to save each reminder schedule after setting it up. Once you've configured your automated reminders, click Save to store your settings. After everything is saved, click Done to finish your setup. But wait, before wrapping up, it's crucial to ensure reminders are applied to your invoices. Whenever you create or edit an invoice, make sure that the Automatic Invoice Reminders option is checked. This ensures QuickBooks sends out reminders automatically according to your established schedule. Lastly, it's good practice to occasionally review and manage your reminders. At any time, head back to Account and Settings, navigate to Sales, and then Reminders. You can edit, pause, or delete any existing schedules. You'll also find a handy log of which reminders have been sent in your customer activity, providing peace of mind and a record of communications. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to manage automated invoice reminders in QuickBooks Online, streamlining your operations and enhancing client communication effortlessly.